Hello everybody, tonight I want to quickly show you how you can benefit from this fantastic opportunity with some practical tips on how to go about it as well. Just to give some background again, the best way to get started, is to not quit but just to start, because we talk a lot but we don't go over into action. We must go into action. What action must you take? Okay, quickly our story. Lisa, my wife and myself, we had financial difficulties. There was a stage in our lives where we spent more money than our income, and we tried several things. Plant nursery. I sold makeup. Lisa made clothes, tracksuit for children. She worked in emergency pharmacy every second week for the whole week. She baked banana loaves for home industries. I studied further, got more degrees, and still we couldn't cope. And somebody told us about this opportunity. And we said, wait a minute, we must use this opportunity. And we started, for 2 years, we said, no, thank you, not interested. And only after 2 years of our friends telling us about this, we actually started. And to cut a long story short, in our first month, we made 3 times more than my salary increase would have been if I've studied another degree, a master's degree, which would take me 4 years part-time, and would have made more debt in the process. So I stopped the master's degree. And since then, our business has taken off. We're earning money from several countries. We have got a much better life. We at once had owned 4 properties. We sold some of them, invested the money differently now. But all this made possible because of this opportunity. So what did we do? How did we go about it? And let me give you some tips in the process. By terminology, as you go along, you see I talk about PV, which is point value, because products count points. Qualifying point value, that is you and your total team, for example. I'm not going to work too much about all the different ones, terminology here. But upline sponsor is the person that sponsored you into the business. If you sponsor somebody else, that is your downline. Okay, but how does it work? Let's first show you a little video of somebody else.
Hello, my name is Kwatili Duma. I work the business with my beautiful wife, Mandile Duma, and we have 3 wonderful children. My wife was not working and I have been unemployed for 5 years. Both of us did not finish school to finding work has always been difficult and life has been very hard for us. It was the best decision we ever made and it gave us hope for a better future. We joined in August last year. Our second month of September we earned a bonus of 7,000 and earning good money ever since. Our biggest check so far was 12,700 in 1 month. This money has been life-changing for us. We now have a bank account. We have been able to send our children to better school. My wife's health has improved and we have started thinking about bigger things. We are changing people's life in the soul through this business and products. We achieved success by attending all the training and doing what our sponsor has taught us. We talk to people, share our story to inspire others and show them how they can change their life. Life is good and for the first time ever we are so excited for the future.
You can change your life. It doesn't matter what your background, whether you've got a degrees, I've got 2 degrees and that's for diplomas and stuff, or whether you've got no schooling at all, you can achieve in this opportunity if you're willing to really do it properly. Now, if you want to go about achieving your goals or dreams, how do you go about that? Okay, let's talk about that. What are the steps? How does it work? There are 4 basic steps. Just run through it very quickly. Number 1, you use the products and you save money. Firstly, you buy discount, but there are other ways to also save money, and I'm going to show you an example as well of that. You get support and education The part of this video or the Zoom is to give you training so you understand how to do the business and earn an income. By sharing the business opportunity, you can earn bonuses as well. And these are the 3 main steps, or this must be your focus. If people are not interested in joining, well, then with them you can share products by all means. Okay? Because they can make a profit that way and earn a bonus that way as well. But what do you have to do? Let's get to the nitty-gritty. First, you buy at a discount and you save. Okay? You buy the discount and you save. So, you cut at wholesalers, advertisers, retailers, reps, and all the people in the middle that push the price up. And we all share great news, bargains, specials, exciting things, etc. with friends and family. We all talk to people. That is who we are. We share exciting things. Same here. So what do you have to do? You show others how to buy at the discount and save. Okay? Cut out the wholesalers, the advertisers, retailers, the reps, and shoplifters, and all these people. Cut them out. You show your friends to do the same. So they can buy at a discount too. Okay? Let's show you an example. If you, for example, talk to 2 people, I'm using just an example here. This is obviously not actual values, it's just to give the principle. But if you talk to 2 people and they say they want to buy a discount just like you, now if each of you do 100 rands or whatever currency you work in dollars or whatever, if each of you do that, gives a total of 300 as a total turnover for 3 people. But it doesn't stop here, because if you teach those first 2 to do what you've done in the first picture, so that they each do 300 points or rands or whatever currency you talk in, you still do 100 and you get 2 more people doing that. Now there are 9 people. Remember, those first 2 have got 2 each as well. So that gives you a turnover now of 900 if they all use only 100 in total, okay? If each one keeps on duplicating, so in other words, those first 2, they now have got 8 people plus themselves gives 9 people. And your second 2 people do 300. And you get 2 new people, 800 each. You're now at 2,700. But as I said, these are very low numbers. It's just to show the principle. By talking to more people, it gets bigger and bigger. And we talk to people, and that's just who we are. So that's the first thing we must do. You talk to people and teach them how to buy at discount and save. But how do you earn? You save money as you buy the discount. Your team members use products, and this increases your total team turnover. And you earn a bonus on the total turnover of your team, not just yours. Your team members sell to their customers. This just increases the total team turnover, which means your bonus gets bigger. If you sell to customers, you earn a profit of between 20-25%, and if you qualify for bonus, you earn the bonus on that as well. So you earn, like I said, the total on the total turnover, you earn an income. Like if you're the head office of, let's say, KFC. If you're the head office of KFC, you earn an income of all the KFC shops all over the world. Similar principle in here. Let's give you an example. If you use, let's say, 2,000 Rand or whatever the currency is, you save about 400 Rand because you bought at a discount. Your team turnover, let's say they do 60,000 Rand, so each one of them also save a bit, and they have got perhaps some customers even, but let's say you earn a bonus of 10% on their turnover. If you sell to some customers, you get some turnover, you earn a profit on them as well. So you start seeing where you start earning money. Okay. Total turnover, this example is 64,000 Rands. Your bonus will be, let's say, 3,000 Rand on the total turnover. It actually will be more, but I'm just being conservative here. So total turnover, or income rather, is your profit you made plus the bonus you've earned. So you see, that's a total turnover. Now, you only did, let's say, 150 points yourself. Okay? And like I said, this is just the principle. But let me show you, in actual fact, how you do save. And I want you to go and compare this yourself in your shops. This is in South Africa. I took one of our big supermarket chains. I looked at these 5 products on the shelves. I looked at what they cost in rands, as you can see here at the bottom. I've got the rands value there, as well as what sizes they are. That gave me 3.75 liters of cleaning products for a total of 224 rands. That meant about 60 rand per liter, almost 60 rand per liter. Okay? Now, here is the one product that we have, one of the cleaning products. Remember, we've got other ranges too. This one bottle gives you 22 spray bottles full. It gives you 11 liters of cleaning product, depending on what you use it for. And as you can see there, the before and after picture, you see how effective this product is. And it's non-toxic. And what does it cost you? Now, this product on my previous page replaces the window cleaner, the all-purpose cleaner, the floor cleaner, the toilet cleaner, and the oven cleaner, which in the shops will cost you 224 rands. And this one, if you dilute it correctly, will cost you less than 116 rands for the same amount of cleaning product. And as a fact, if you're registered, you're even paying less. You're paying less than 100 rand. So you save even more. Okay? This gives you less than 29 rand per liter for equivalent strength cleaners. Compare that to the previous page. You can see you save. Just learn how to use the product correctly, and it's non-toxic. Here's the other example. Those 3 products from the supermarket cost outside in South Africa 234 rand for 1.65 liters, about 142 rand per liter. Here, this product gives you 6 liters on average if you dilute it correctly, and it replaces those 3 products. And look at the price. It will cost you less than 89 rand. In other words, almost a third. Now, if you're registered, that will cost you close to 70 rand. So that will be less than a third of what the stuff in the shops cost you. So by using the cleaning products correctly, you will save on your monthly budget. So it makes sense to use the cleaning products. Okay, this works at less than 54 rand per liter for equivalent strength. And here's a summary of those 9 products. Total cost in supermarket, 495 rand. Total cost of our products, equivalent strength, 205 rand. You save 290 rand. This is for customers. If you're registered, you will save more. Okay, so that's what's important to do your own homework. Compare the stuff in the shops. I'm talking about quality stuff. Because I remember we once bought some dishwashing liquid that's much cheaper than that in the shops, but we didn't use it fast enough. It started to rot and stink, and we had to throw it away. So we talk about quality, and we talk about non-toxic stuff in our case. Another example, disinfectant, which is like, for example, Dettol. Dettol in South Africa will cost you more than 100 rand a liter. That's a lot. Here, this thing, tested by South African Bureau of Standards, will give you 11 liters hospital grade strength for only about 28 rand a liter. Now that's a massive saving. And if you're registered, you will just over 20 rand a liter. So, I mean, that's about a fifth of what the Dettol will cost you. And it's safe, you can use it around the house. And it's tested hospital strength. Go make your own comparison and you see. So let's go get more practical. How do you create the PV, the points? How do you create the turnover? Okay, 1, own use. I've just given you some examples of how the cleaning products will save you money, so it makes sense to use the cleaning products. Okay, here you can also make gifts. Birthday gifts, Christmas gifts, whatever. Buy products, instead of buying from the shops, buy from yourself and make, for example, gifts. Here's an example of our daughter. She burnt herself with boiling water. You can see what it looks like on day 5, day 7, day 10, day 20. And today, if you look at the arm, there's no mark. and she used the aloe vera gel from our company. Okay? No stuff from the pharmacy, nothing, just the aloe vera gel. And it has healed completely, no scar. Didn't have to go to a doctor. Here's some other examples. Maybe you can make samples of the cleaning products. Now you see the labels I've got on there are not the actual names of the products, because the moment you pour them out and dilute them, because these are diluted samples, then you cannot put the company name on there, because they don't know what the quality is. So that to cover them, you give it a different name. But you can give it little samples to people so they can test it themselves. Now this pink one, the liquid soap one, that's the LDC. That is fantastic for to bath, to wash the dishes, wash yourself, hand washing, wash your hair. It's just fantastic. If you go camping, you can use it for everything when you go camp as well. It's just fantastic. Another example of own use, some more examples of gifts. It depends on what type of gift you want to give. There's the cleaning products with the cloth, for example, in one. Okay. Or you can mix the products. Okay. The Super Sud, that's the G1 washing powder. You can take scoops. Now it's a smaller scoop nowadays. You take a scoop, put it in little plastic bags like that, and put in enough for, let's say, 10 washes. And sell that bag to some people. Instead of selling them a whole 2 kilogram pack, you sell them 10 washes. You just work out what it will cost equivalent, okay? Because there's about 133 washes in a 2 kilogram bag. So if you just work it out, you can say this bag, for example, will cost, let's say, 15 Rand or 20 Rand. Okay, whatever, depending on how many washes you put in there. And this one in South Africa will cost us more or less than 3 Rand a wash. Where those ones, the ones in the shop, will cost us 5, 6, 7 Rand a wash in South Africa. So there's another way how you can save at home. That 2 kilogram bag costs a lot of money, yes, but you get at least 133 washes from one bag. Not only 5 or 10, which the normal stuff in the shop will give you. Okay, but you can sell samples, you can sell diluted product already. So people don't have to buy the complete concentrated bottle. You see the green one here on the right hand side? That is the disinfectant, sanitizer, diluted. You can dilute that 1 to 30 and it's still effective, and sell that to people. And it's much cheaper than the ones in the shop. So here's some gift ideas and some ways of selling small amounts to people who cannot afford to buy a concentrated bottle or a whole 2 kilogram pack of washing powder. Okay. Now Super 10 replaces, for example, toilet cleaner, bath cleaner, floor cleaner, tile cleaner, glass cleaner, engine cleaner, paving cleaner, stain remover, oven cleaner, and more. So you don't have to buy 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different stuff in the shops. You can buy one bottle, buy 2 or 3 spray bottles, dilute different strengths, and keep that in your house. And you won't have to buy every month, because this bottle should last you a couple of months. Or like the LDC, replaces your bath cleaner, kitchen top cleaner, tile cleaner, glass cleaner, hand cleaner, shampoo, fatty stain remover, shower gel, veggie wash, and more. Again, like I said, you don't need 20 bottles of cleaning products in your home, because between these two, you should cover most, if not all, cleaning things in your home. Okay, and you will save money when using this. Now, bonuses are determined according to the total turnover. Each product counts a certain number of points. Each month, the company looks at the end of the month what your total points are, and then it works on a sliding scale of the bonuses. Now, let me show an example here. Let's just say you either use or sell to your customers the following products. There's a washing powder, there's a bottle of LDC, maybe you sell 3 bottles of Super 10, you use 1 Pro Vitality pack for yourself, you buy aloe vera gel or sell one, or somebody's got children, you sell them Vita Squares. Now that will give you 109 points. Now, you must understand, to start any bonuses, you yourself must do 100 points. Now that can be you, what you use, or what you sell to your customers, people that did not register. Now us, Lisa and myself, we do in the vicinity of about 500 points a month. Some months even more. And then we even sell to customers, so we end up like 700-800 points a month. Because we use products and we also sell products. And that's very important. You need a few people who didn't want to register and turn them into customers. And instead of buying a shampoo from the supermarket, you buy shampoo from your own business. You use the LDC, for argument's sake, as shampoo, which would work out cheaper than a shampoo in the shops in any case. Now, if you use, for example, 1 Pro Vitality, that's 36 points, and you sell 3 Pro Vitality, okay, that will give you 108 points. Actually, more, there's 4. There's 4, it's actually more than that. Sorry, if you sell 2 Pro Vitality, not 3, you sell, okay, you'll get 108 points. So, example, you use that, and let's say you use a Super 10 LDC, that's 20 points. You use aloe vera gel, that's 8 points. That's already 64 points. If you now get 3 customers to buy a bottle of Super 10 for argument's sake, and want to buy a bottle of LDC, there's another 40 points. You now already got 104 points. Okay? So this is now you use some and you sell some. Teach 2 other distributors. You have got people that register in your team. Teach them to do the same type of thing. All in 1 month. Now, if you've got 2 other people in your team doing exactly what you're doing, that will give you now 312 points. You will get a 3% bonus on that. Not a lot of money yet, but it's a start. Let's be more practical. Let's say that's you. You use Pro Vitality, you use Super 10, and you use LDC. That will give you 56 points. Not 100 points yet, but you start somewhere. But now, you introduce people to the opportunity. Let's say you got 3 people interested in joining, and they start buying the discount. Okay? Let's say they buy exactly what you buy. Just for example's sake. Now I will get a total of 224 points. Now, if you remember, these 3 people registered, they had to buy starter kits. Now, depending on which starter kit they bought, but let's take the lower ones, the people now be like 280 points. Okay? So you see how creating points by using products, by selling products, by registering people, and they buy kits, so the kits count points, and then they also start using, and they also start selling. And this is what the next one shows. If you sell to a few customers, and that will now help you to get your 100 points yourself by selling to some customers. Okay? For example, sell Super 10 to 2 customers, and 3 customers by Super 10, 2 by LDC, for argument's sake. You've got your 100 points now. And if you teach your 3 distributors to do the same, you will obviously also get a much bigger turnover. But my example here, you get a 3% bonus. If they've got customers and they do the same as you, now, if they now have, let's say, 5 customers buying a bottle of Super 10 or LDC each, and you've got the same, you see now the turnover is going to be 424 points. You're almost at the 5% bonus level now, because 500 points will give you a 5% bonus. Now, this does not include if they have sponsored somebody, because if they sponsor somebody, there will be kit points as well, and that might push you over 500 points. Here are 20 people in your team. If they each do a turnover 50 points, and you do 100 yourself, that will give you 1,100 points. So I hope you can see how you create points. You use yourself, you sell to a few customers, you get distributors, they buy kits, that's points. They use products, that's points. They register more people, that's points. They start selling to people as well, more points. And the bigger the turnover, the bigger the bonus will be. Here's the big example. 20 people, If they each do a turnover 150 points, you do 300 points, you've got 3,100 points, you get a 20% bonus now. Now, South Africa, that should give you about 5,000, 6,000 rand, give and take. So, by talking, it becomes more and more and more. Okay? Now, here's just another example. Now, obviously, this is simplification, but if you talk to 5 people and they register, you have now got 6 people. If those first 5 talk to 5 each, that means another 25 people added. So those 6 in the beginning plus the 25 is 31. Point is, if you continue the pattern, you get 156 people. If they each use or sell only 50 points, the total points are already 7,800 points. So if you make sure you have got a 100-point turnover, you will be earning $1,500 US dollars now. And that's starting to look more interesting. Simply by talking to people. And what do? They use products, they sell products. And they find more people to register to use products, to sell products. And this is if you've got 10 times 10 times 10, for example. Now you've got much bigger turnover. Now you earn about 4,000 US dollars per month. And it doesn't stop here. Okay, just to summarize an action plan. First, replace your cleaning products with Super 10, LDC G1. I mean, you have to buy this stuff in the shops. Why pay more? And then why buy toxic stuff? Okay, then use 1 or 2 other products, for example, Pro Vitality, and you will get to 100 points. Get 3 people to register for argument's sake, teach them to do the same. So here I'm summarizing what you must do. Get 3 more customers or more. Talk to people daily. If you follow this pattern, you will get your points each month and you will qualify for bonuses. But start replacing products in the home with your own products. And if you use supplements, then really contact me for more information, but really products out there are usually synthetic and very often they're even harmful as well. So rather buy things that are tested and are safe. Okay, talk to people daily, use social media, use blogs, you meet people, doesn't matter how, but talk to people. I talk a lot of TikTok as well. And this is how the bonuses work. Your total turnover, if there's 250 points, you earn a 3% bonus. This doesn't apply in Europe, however. You've got 500 points you and your team, you earn a 5% bonus. You've got 1,000 points, you earn a 10% bonus. As you can see, the bigger the turnover, the bigger the percentage bonus. These are the basic bonuses. Okay, but it doesn't stop here. It goes much bigger than this eventually. Everybody starts as a distributor. Okay? And you must do 100 points to be considered a qualified distributor, which is own use and customers.
Hey, this is Julia. Just wanted to show you one of our Neolife Golden products, LDC. It is a highly concentrated light-duty cleaner that's eco-friendly and biodegradable. I want to show you how we use it to wash our organic fruits and vegetables. But first I'll show you, this hasn't been washed yet. I want to show you how the water kind of just beads off the broccoli. You can kind of see. So I don't know, this sink just has water in it. I'm washing this like I would maybe clean it before I cut it and eat it. The water's still beading off of it. So I'm going to add just 1 squirt of our LDC. It can work in hot and cold water. I'm just going to mix it in here real quick, so you can see how little you need really. So I'm going to take the broccoli and I'm just going to whoosh it in here a little bit, do a quick clean. What happens is it's breaking the surface tension of the wax that's on there and lifting it up and removing it. So I'm going to show you how the water just goes right through it after being washed. You can see that it has removed all that wax, and now the fruit our vegetable is being washed completely now. I'm going to show you one other quick demonstration. This is another one I have not cleaned yet. I just want to show you how little of this product you have to use to make it work. This mixture that I have in here is 1 ounce to about 20 ounces of water. And I'm just going to take a couple quick sprays of it and show you how it goes right through again. It does not take very much of this product at all. We also use this product to wash all of our dishes. We can use it to wash our children in the bathtub. I use it for all my surface cleaning in the home. And I also have another mix for glass cleaning. So it just takes a few drops of that. It's very economical in that way. If you have any questions about it, I'd love to help you with it. Have a great day.
As you can see, that one helps to wash your fruit and veggies. Any pesticides and fungicides that they spray on it, you can wash it off your veggies and therefore have a healthier family as well. Here's another example of the Super 10 now.
Today we are demonstrating the uses of Super 10. Super 10 is a GNLD product. Can you show us the bottle out? Okay, Abby is just going to spray that onto the mop head. The idea of this is to remove nicotine stains from the ceiling. So let's go. As you can see, Abby is just dragging it along the ceiling.
You can see the difference there.
And you can see from the mop head just the amount of nicotine that came off in one sweep.
And that was diluted 1 to 10.
Yeah. How are you?
Yeah.
Okay, you can clearly see how it cleanses that ceiling quite easily.
Hi, I'm Stephen Whitwell, Neolife Vice President, and in this video, I will cover how the opportunity to earn income with Neolife works. There has never been a better time to launch your ultimate low-risk business startup with Neolife. As a valued business partner, you are able to tap into the earning potential of Neolife's highly rewarding compensation plan that can allow you to earn a spare time, part-time, or even full-time income. We offer what you need to grow a successful income. There are low barriers to entry because Neolife provides the infrastructure that any successful business needs, as well as superior quality, effective, proven products and our generous compensation plan. So, instead of having to go out and raise hundreds of thousands of dollars to get started with a traditional business, Neolife makes entrepreneurship accessible to everyone. It's your business on your terms that can also be passed down as an asset to future generations. Now, let's take a look at what it is like to build, grow, and scale a Neolife business and income. Earning income and growing your business is very simple and based on one primary principle. The more products you move into the marketplace, the greater your income will be. The more customers you serve, the more income your business will produce. The larger your team grows, the larger your business and income will grow. A simple way to think about a Neolife business is to think of it like a franchise. Your Neolife business and your personal referral website is like a franchise location. The more customers your franchise location serves, the more income you create. And like a franchise, you have the opportunity with Neolife to expand beyond just one location when you begin building a team of Neolife business partners alongside you. And like a franchise, the more stores you open, the larger your business footprint will be, and therefore, the larger your income. Let's take a look at exactly what it takes to make this happen and the income you can earn. Your first step is to start referring products and build your personal customer base. Your initial goal is to find and serve 12 consistent monthly customers. If you have 12 personal with a weight loss solution, you are going to earn approximately $500 a month in residual income. Next, while you are building your personal customer base, simultaneously you want to find and partner with at least 3 other people who want to launch and build their own Neolife business and income. At this stage in your business, you have personally helped at least 15 people get started in Neolife. Then, step 2, you want to help and support your 3 business partners build their personal customer base of 12 consistent monthly customers and simultaneously help them find and partner with at least 3 other people that want to launch and build a business. This is how your business can scale quickly with Neolife. As you can see, you now have at least 60 people in your business, and you're going to be earning approximately $1,400 a month in residual income. And your 3 business partners will be earning approximately $750 each in residual income. In Neolife, we would call your business at this size a director business. Now that you can see how you can grow and scale your income in Neolife to $500 to $1,500 a month, let me show you some examples of what you would have to do to earn an extra $1,000 doing something else. If you had a part-time job, maybe that would be a second job, you made $20 per hour. It would require you to work an additional 50 hours per month to earn $1,000. Or you would need to spend 67 hours per month driving a rideshare opportunity to make an additional $1,000 per month, which doesn't factor in the wear and tear on your car plus other expenses. Or you would need approximately $415,000 in a savings account earning interest with the current average savings account interest rate of 0.24% to earn $1,000 per month of interest income. So now let's look at taking your business to the next level and creating a significant income. To scale your business to the next level, you want to help 3 business partners achieve the director level as well. So each of your business partners would have approximately 60 people in their business, and you would have a total of about 200 people in your business. At this point, you would be earning more than $37,000 per year of income, and each of your business partners would be earning more than $15,000 per year of income. And to scale your business to a 6-figure income per year, it is a matter of continuing to develop and grow other director-sized businesses within your business. If you go from having 3 personal business partners at the director level to 6 business partners at the director level, and each of them develop 3 directors for a total of 18 director-sized business partners, you would have a business generating more than $120,000 per year of income. As you can see, investing time in building a Neolife business can be very rewarding. You are in business for yourself, but not by yourself with Neolife. You will have a full support system and team in place to help you every step of the way. You'll be provided with a complete digital business suite, such as your personal website, business back office management platform, along with our training program to guide you in your business. And the best part is that you get to do it on your own terms. You are in control to work your business where, when, and with whom you want, because you are your own boss. But it doesn't stop there. As you grow your business, you will be able to earn cash bonuses and luxury vacations. So, as you can see, now is the time to invest in your future. I want to personally invite you to join the Neolife family and experience our transformative community along with all the perks of being a business partner.
Okay, you can do it. I tried to show some basic steps, and I showed you some tips on how to move products, but you can do it.
Nice.
Thank you so much, Herman.